Hey guys, quick hands-on style check of the Redmi Watch 6 Global. So, straight up, for around $100, this thing feels way more premium than it should. You've got a massive 2.07-inch AMOLED display, and honestly, the biggest surprise is brightness. It hits up to 2000 nits, so outdoor visibility is no issue at all. It's also 60 Hz, so swiping feels smooth, not laggy like older budget watches. Battery life is another win. I'm getting close to 10-12 days easily with normal use, and it can stretch way further if you switch to battery saver. Design-wise, it's surprisingly sleek with an aluminum frame and a rotating crown that actually feels responsive. GPS is also solid thanks to the dual-band multi-satellite setup. But it's not perfect, no eSIM, and you don't get proper quick replies on apps like WhatsApp in the global version. Still, for the price? Yeah, this one's an easy recommend if you want a budget smartwatch that feels premium.